on how to make the masks that everyone is needing just to cover your face, and you can use them with whatever materials you would like, but these are the ones that I found to work. So let's get to it. Okay, so for your materials, you're gonna need some fabric, some stretchy string, and some kind of metal. Alright, first start with your fabric and kind of cut out the shape that you would like, or you can just be more prepared and draw out the lines from where you want to cut it. So let's just cut that out. Alright, now that I have my thing all cut out, I've got it in the shape that I need it to be in. It's two-sided and right now it's folded over. So right now we're going to start by sewing the edges. Okay, so obviously this is fast forwarded. It only took me about 2 minutes to do the whole side. So just make sure it's nice and tight and not super loose. I doubled up the string for both sides, so you can do that. It'll make it a little bit more durable so it's not so easily broken, and it'll last a little longer. And sorry for my brother in the background. Okay, so now I put a bendy metal ribbon inside, so when it goes over your nose, it can mold to your face shape. So at first I made it a little bit too big, so I had to go back and make it a little bit smaller. And remember, at this point it's inside out, so I'm about to flip it back to what you would see if you were to wear it. Okay, so now that it's all flipped inside out, we're going to take each side, the side with the bendy metal and the other side, and we're going to hot glue them. I was going to sew them, but it was a little too thick to sew through, so let's get to that. Okay, now we're all sewed through and glued and everything's all done. There's only a couple more steps left. Now that's all done, you need to get some kind of stretchy string that you'd use. Mine is almost like a stringish fabric type, and it's gold. I'm just going to stick it into each side and then put some hot glue in it, and then hot glue a tiny seam at the end to give it that stretch instead of having to have something not very stretchy. This will help it. Okay, so this side is all done, and we're going to do the next side the same exact way. Alright, now that we're back, I did it and I realized it's a little bit big because I had started with 7.5 inch, I think I had 23 centimeters. You could make it smaller, especially if you've got a smaller face. It was a little bit big, so I had to go make it a little bit smaller after I shot this scene in the video. So you can mold it like that just by pressing it, and it's all good. And this is after I made it a little bit smaller, and it fits my face pretty well, and it's not itchy, it's comfortable. And it's perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned how to make the mask and it turned out successfully. And I hope you guys stay safe, stay home, and make good use of the time we have. I might be posting some more things like this, things to get your mind off of the situation, and some crafts. So if you want anything more, comment down below what you might want. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.